Are you ready for an example on how to use our Chakra Cleansing Set to cleanse and charge your crystals? Well, today I'm going to give you a little demonstration on how to use your Selenite, Palo Santo, and Chakra Stones for cleansing. Here we have our Chakra Cleansing Set that you can find at Satin Crystals, or if you have your own stones, you can use those as well. What we have here is the white selenite charging slab and 7 chakra stones. There is an amethyst cluster for your crown chakra, a sodalite for your third eye chakra, blue calcite for your throat chakra, green chrysoprase for your heart chakra, golden tiger's eye for your solar plexus chakra, orange carnelian for your sacral chakra, and red sunstone for your root chakra. Additionally, you could also use your white selenite at your crown chakra. So these are a stone set which you can place on the chakras for balancing. I'm going to show you how you can use this set for cleansing as well. All you need to do is place them on the selenite plate, and this helps to cleanse and charge your crystals. Selenite is also excellent for moon energy. So if you put this set in under moonlight, it's an excellent way to harness that lunar energy. Additionally, clusters can be used for cleaning and charging as well. So if you have a cluster like this amethyst, you can place smaller stones on top of that and have your crystals charging and cleaning that way as well. We also have in this set a Palo Santo stick, and this comes from trees in the South American region. It has been used by indigenous people for many centuries, and you will be happy to know that the Palo Santo tree is not endangered, so you can use it freely. All you need to do is light the stick on fire, maybe for around 30 seconds until it really gets lit and all the smoke comes out of the wood. And it smells really nice too. It lets off a nice aroma. So the smoke of the Palo Santo stick can be used to cleanse your crystals. Now once it's nice on fire, just blow it out and you can use all the smoke to cleanse your crystals. And of course you want to have an intent in your mind as well, or you can say it out loud. For example, thank you for cleaning and clearing all of my crystals so they'll be ready for healing, or whatever kind of intention that makes sense to your mind. And this Palo Santo can also be used to cleanse the energy of your space as well. It's a good alternative to sage. And there you have it. Nice and cleansed. Now you want to charge your crystals. Just leave them on the selenite slab, on your clusters. You can place them in the moonlight directly or indirectly, and you can have fully cleansed crystals for your next healing expedition. If you are a beginner in crystal healing, or you want to enhance your existing practice, visit us at Satin Crystals for a whole collection of natural healing stones. While you're there, join the VIP club as we send out crystal healing information every single week. Do like and subscribe to our channel so we'll continue bringing you crystal related videos throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals, and thank you for shining your light into our universe.